Hey guys, how's it going today? So today I'm going to do a video on Snapchat. Now I've done one video on them before, basically about their last quarter where they missed expectations and the stock's been kind of tanking ever since, doing very poorly. And then today, holy man, we saw a huge increase of over 47%. So this kind of came under my radar when the earnings came out, obviously. But also pre-market yesterday, it was up something like 27% or something like that. So the question is, is this a good buy right now? Actually, just strictly from a momentum trading basis, I did purchase a little bit this morning and sold out, I think around 19 something. So made maybe 5% or something like that. So it was an easy little gain. I don't usually always recommend doing something like that, but this seemed to have enough momentum that it seemed like a smart move. And I think we still might have a little bit more. We've seen a lot of buying pressure here. But in terms of the report that came out, I think one of the biggest thing was the annual revenue that was up 104% from last year. That's a pretty huge increase. And advertising revenues are up 74% year over year. Basically, revenues were the next biggest story here, 285.7 million. So that's all about clearing, the estimates from Wall Street, and user growth that was increasing quite significantly as well, 5% from last quarter, and adding 8.9 million users. So that's 18% that says here year over year. That's pretty big when you think about it. The user base, they're adding 8.9 million users. So that definitely has some value. As well, revenue per user rose, which is a huge metric for this company, right? That's 46% year over year, and 31% from Q3. We did see the cost of revenue increase, but that's to be expected. That's like you're an auto manufacturer and you're increasing more. Your costs are going to be more, right? So but the other big story here is that we saw that the net loss widened to 350 million, but it was basically the loss that we saw was not something that was unexpected. So that's why we saw Snap, just skyrocket today. So those are, I think, the most important, metrics to look at with this company. But just a huge reaction from Wall Street. So I'm wondering if this is a good buy right now. I think it could be. I'd have to listen to the conference call more. But in my personal opinion, it was good for a little short day gain and then maybe get out. Because without just having any other form of revenue, all they have is the Snapchat app. Sounds like through the financials that were released, the spectacles are gone. They're basically going to be phasing them out. They use some language. So they really don't have anything else. And that's just something that's really scary for me. But in terms of the valuation, is it attractive? Tough to say. It could be. I mean, we don't even have that many shares outstanding, right? So that's how you can kind of justify the price when we're not even seeing any PE because we're not showing any earnings, right? Could have some value. So it's kind of interesting. I'm curious what you guys think. I just wanted to do a quick video outlining what happened today and, expressing my thoughts on it kind of thing. But I'd love to know what you guys are hearing about this and what you guys think is going to happen with Snapchat here. Anyway, that's going to be it for today, guys, and I will see you in the next one.